Check the tolerance on spar 42. Alignment check on the forward spar.
Reading a minor deviation, adjusting parameters now.
All systems are reporting green for the morning sequence.
Acknowledged.
Inside a highly controlled factory, precision work and human expertise come together, starting the journey of a next-generation fighter toward its first flight.
Forming pressure is stable. The aluminum lithium is responding well.
Confirmed. Stealth contours are precise.
Level 4 submersion complete. Reaction stable at 900 kilojoules.
Confirmed. Notations logged.
Building a modern fighter jet relies on precise synchronization between advanced machines and skilled workers, where automation delivers accuracy and human judgment guarantees reliability and control.
The calibration is still showing red on the starboard side.
Adjusting the actuator now. Okay, we have full green across the schematic.
Did you verify the torque specs on the main cylinder joint?
Yes, the robot reported green across the board.
Alignment looks spot on.
Confirmed. Lock it in.
Approaching alignment.
Steady. Drop sequence initiated.
Contact confirmed. Seated.
The wing root is where the primary load forces are transferred. Precision here is paramount for structural integrity.
Inside a modern fighter jet, thousands of cables are carefully routed and secured to deliver power, data, and control, then sealed with specialized compounds to protect critical systems from vibration, heat, and extreme flight conditions.
Hinge play is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Actuator response is nominal across the full range.
Cable run looks secure.
Confirmed. Checklist complete for Zone 4.
Jet engines are manufactured through an extremely precise production process and rigorously tested to provide the power, reliability, and efficiency required for sustained high-speed flight. Thanks to advanced machining, meticulous assembly, and continuous monitoring.
Ignition sequence initiated.
Confirming spool up. N2 at 20%.
Data streams nominal.
Actuators engaging smoothly. Tilting nominal. We have symmetry across the linkage.
This visualization confirms the heat dissipation is centralized along the primary ducts.
And the thermal shielding is stable across the board.
Here we see the critical installation of the aileron linkage. Robotic precision is followed by manual verification to ensure smooth operation. A few millimeters left on section 4.
Hold position. Alignment confirmed. Engaging automated sequence.
The line of sight checks out perfectly.
Confirmed. Shielding separation is within tolerance across all bands.
Check the alignment on section 4B.
Looks good. The tolerances are within the green zone.
Wing assembly requires precise alignment and controlled fastening, ensuring the structure can handle aerodynamic loads while maintaining stability and performance during flight.
The cables are clear on this side.
Okay, rotate the rig 5 degrees.
Verify fastener installation. Position Charlie 4, torque set to 50 foot-pounds. Confirmed. Move to Delta 5. Verify access on the starboard side cooling array. Confirmed. Clearances are nominal.
Watch the clearing on that spar.
Copy. Bringing it down slow.
We need the torque wrench over here now. Watch the alignment mark right there.
Okay, I see it. Bringing it down slowly.
Perfect. Now hold it steady for the robotics. Running system check now.
LEDs are green across the board. All parameters nominal.
After successfully completing performance and safety tests, the jet engine is transferred to the aircraft, where it is carefully installed and integrated with structural, fuel, and control systems.
The laser reading shows a 5mm gap here.
That's within the acceptable tolerance for the baffle installation.
Network topology looks good. Redundancy checks complete on all fiber lines.
Confirmed. The system is fully stable.
A jet's landing wheel is manufactured to withstand extreme loads, then carefully assembled, tested, and installed to ensure stability, control, and safety during takeoff, landing, and ground operations.
Then projected.
Confirmed. Cycle the brakes again and record the response.
Easy now, slow it down.
Alignment checks pass. Clearance is good.
Hold position.
Interface aligned. Ready for pins. Roger that. Engaging torque tool now. Setting 1 complete.
Alignment check complete on the port side.
Starboard side confirms green. Ground clearance nominal.
Actuator extension at 90%.
Pressure holding steady. Cycle looks nominal.
Fasteners tightened on the access panel. Confirmed. Moving to the next section. We have green status on the alignment check. Panel secured on the starboard side. Copy that. Copy that. We are ready for the robotic arm assist.
As the thermal data streams stabilize, the structural analysis confirms a perfect load transfer across the unified system.
Seam alignment is perfect on section 4.
Continuity check confirms. Ready for final coating.
Pressure stable at 10 to the -5. Check the leading edge sensors.
Thermal readings are steady. Seal integrity confirmed.
Once all manufacturing and assembly steps are complete, final cleaning begins, preparing the aircraft for inspection and delivery in a fully ready operational state.
Removing the intake cover. The heat signature seems normal here.
Confirmed. Reattaching the cover now.
All teams confirm green on wingtip clearance. Proceed slowly through the threshold.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Rolling steady.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.